Welcome, beautiful breather, to your guided breathwork session for mental clarity. Today we perform 3 rounds of Kapalabhati, breathing rapidly with forceful exhalations and passive inhalations, using the belly as a pump. For the full tutorial on this breathing technique, watch here. After Kapalabhati, we allow the body to return to balance, ending in a peaceful meditation. You should not feel out of breath at any point. If you feel dizzy, you might be breathing out too forcefully. Stop the practice and sit quietly for a few moments. So, if you're ready, find a quiet place and let's begin. Sit in a comfortable meditative pose and prepare yourself for meditation. Keep the spine straight, close the eyes, and place the hands in Jnana or Chin Mudra. Take a deep breath in and a big, full breath out. Let it go. Let go of any to-do lists, anything that's causing you worry and stress. Right now, this moment is for you and your well-being. Now, as you settle into this peaceful presence, let's begin today by setting our intention for our practice. What is it that you hope for? What is it that you are trying to develop? A state of peace and clarity, or perhaps quieting mental chatter? Whatever it is, think of it now. Good. Now let's prepare for the first round. Follow the sound of my breath or go at a rhythm that's comfortable for you. Inhale deeply, fast exhalations. Good. Focus on the forceful exhalations and short passive inhalations. Last few breaths. Take a deep inhalation. Exhale, relax the belly. Keep taking full breaths into the belly up to the chest. Exhaling, chest, ribs, and belly. Observe any sensations, scanning the body from the top of the head down to your feet. Notice the warmth in your body. Beautiful. Now for the second round, about 60 breaths. Inhale deeply and begin. Keep going at a nice continuous rhythm, whether it's slow or fast. Pumping any toxins and negativity out of the mind, out of the body. Take a few more breaths. Inhale deeply. slowly exhale, relax the belly. Notice and observe the subtle effects on your entire system. Good. Now for round 3, if you're still feeling okay, take a deep inhalation. Exhale, pump it out. Let it go. The face muscles are relaxed. Just focusing here on the exhalation. Only a few more breaths. Full inhalation. And slowly exhale, release the breath. Relax the belly and the shoulders. Let everything settle. Settle into the normal rhythm of your breath, allowing everything to return to balance. Your systems are alive and open. What can you feel? Beautiful. Now begin to concentrate on the space in front of your closed eyes. As you continue to connect to this space, if thoughts arise, note them, take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, visualize every thought passing by, leaving your mind, bringing your awareness back to this present moment of stillness. Allowing the simple rise and fall of every breath quiet the noise and chatter in your mind so that you can hear the voice in your heart. Inhale, exhale. At this time, bring your awareness back to the intention you set for yourself in the beginning of the practice. Notice that any qualities you hoped for, it's already within. You already have it. You know exactly where you're headed. You can see clearly without any projections, fears, or judgments. It's all there in that space. Infinite possibilities aligning in perfect harmony. Take a deep breath in and a slow release out. Let every inhalation bring you more confidence, knowing that you are attracting all that you seek. And with every exhalation, surrender, accepting that everything unfolds in its own time. You are exactly where you need to be, making room for what's to come. Beautiful. You can continue sitting, or if you must go about your day, you can end this practice with me by gently moving the fingers. Rub the hands together, generating kindness and positivity. Place your hands on your belly, thanking your belly for all that it does, for digesting food and creating life force energy, and pumping out all the negativity today. Good. Rub the hands together. Place them on your heart. Whenever you're clouded with indecision, worry, or overwhelm, connect to the strength of your heart. trusting that this force is guiding you. Place your hands together in Anjali Mudra up to your third eye chakra. Bow down and thank yourself for your beautiful practice today. Gently massage the rest of your body with this kindness, sending you peace and love. Namaste. Thank you so much for breathing with me. I hope you enjoyed this practice. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel for more breathwork sessions like this. Thank you again, and I will see you soon.